guys, tara lumipat naman tayo at pumunta ng Boracay. Ayan guys, nag-take off ng aming plane. At ayan ang view ng Metro Manila. At bandang taas, ito na ang view. Puro ulap na. At thank you to Ate Vita for this Boracay trip. Thank you so much. At ayan guys, malapit na kayong bumaba. Pababa na ang aming plane sa may Katiklan Airport. Yay! And then guys, from Katiklan Airport, magta-try ka papuntang Katiklan Jetty Port. Ayan guys, 300 pesos. On the way na kami Jetty Port. Kasi ayan guys, nasa may ferry boat na kami. Bali, 350 pesos lahat ng binay namin. Kasama na environmental fee, boat fee, terminal fee. And then guys, ayan, namasyal na kami sa may beachfront at ayan ang view. Napakaganda ng sunset. And that's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching.